Hey there, it's Fresh Roof. We're diving into the top 100 questions we get asked about roof maintenance and protection for your asphalt shingle roofs. Are all soy-based roof rejuvenation products the same? Nope, and it's much more than just a soy-based label. Most roof rejuvenation products on the market use biodiesel soy formulations, which may help temporarily, but aren't designed to truly fix the core issue: aging asphalt. At Fresh Roof, we do things differently. Our product uses GreenSoy Technology, a proprietary formula that doesn't rely on biodiesel. Instead, it penetrates deep into your shingles to rebuild and restore the asphalt inside. That means longer-lasting results, better performance, and real protection where it matters most. Only Fresh Roof offers GreenSoy TM, and it's changing the game in roof rejuvenation.